Dear students, today I am now taking a class BST, Business Studies, class 12. Okay. Now, students, now first chapter is completed. Today I am discuss now multiple choice question on your NCERT books. Right now, first question: which of the following is not a function of management? Which of the following is not a function of management? A. Planning. B. Staffing. C. Cooperating. C. Cooperating. D. Controlling. Clear? Which of the following is not a function of management? Planning, staffing, cooperating, controlling. Answer: cooperating. Clear? Answer: cooperating. Clear? Number 2. Management is an art, B. a science, C. both art and science, both art and science, D. neither. The management is an art, a science, both art and science, neither. Answer: both art and science. Both art and science. Number 3. The following is not an objective of management. Is not an objective of management. A. Earning profit. Growth of the organization. Providing employment. Providing employment. Policy making. Clear? The following is not an objective of management: earning profit, growth of the organization, providing employment, policy making. Answer: policy making. Clear? Number 4. Policy formulation is the function of A. top level management, B. middle level management, C. operational management, D. all of the above. Answer: top level management. Policy formulation is the function of top level management. Number 5, coordination is a function of management. B, the essence of management. C, an objective of management. D, none of the above. Answer, the essence of management. Number 6, management is a process of getting things done, achieving goals effectively, achieving goals efficiently, achieving goals efficiently. D, all of the above. The management is a process of getting things done, achieving goals effectively, achieving goals efficiently, all of the above. Answer, all of the above. Number 7, which of the following characteristics of a profession, which of the following characteristics of a profession which of the following characteristics of profession is present in management? A, code of conduct, professional degree. B, professional degree. C, restricted in entry, D, well-defined body of knowledge, well-defined body of knowledge. Answer, well-defined body of knowledge. Clear? Now this is your end of chapter. I am giving some multiple choice of question. Okay, thank you.